A very good day to you and welcome to my YouTube channel, the 21st Century Herbalist and Community Builder. My name is Pastor Dr. Paul Nana, and I'm going to be talking to you today about an important supplement of Longrich. I'll be talking about calcium. But please, before I go on, I would like for you to, as you listen, as you watch the video, please, at the end of it, kindly like, subscribe, and click on the bell, so that when we post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Now, Longrich Calcium. One would easily think that, oh, this is another tablet of calcium. It is not exactly so. Longrich, this product known as Longrich Calcium, is loaded with other minerals. There's also zinc in it, there's iron, there's magnesium, and a few other minerals and additives. But in this video, I'll be talking to us about calcium itself, about iron and zinc. Longrich calcium or calcium is an essential part of our bones and our teeth. In fact, about 99% of calcium in the body is stored in our bones and our teeth. There's a bit of it stored also in the muscles. I'd like to just talk about the benefits of calcium, and these include to maintain healthy and strong bones. Calcium plays a very important role in bone formation and maintenance of the bone to be healthy and to remain strong. So also in the teeth, it also helps to maintain healthy and strong teeth. Longrich calcium helps to regulate muscle contraction and function. It prevents deficiency of calcium in the body, a condition that can lead to what we call osteoporosis in the bones, where there's not where the bone is not as dense as it should be. Calcium deficiency is known as hypocalcemia, and there's a lot of other conditions associated with it. We'll talk about that sometime in the future. Calcium also helps to reduce obesity, and it helps to prevent indigestion, which is known as dyspepsia. And not only that, calcium is required to maintain a healthy communication between the brain and other parts of the body through the nerves. There are gaps in the nerve structure that are called synapses, and calcium plays a very important role in passing information from one portion of the nerve to the other through the synapses. It plays a role also in cardiovascular function. The other mineral in calcium is iron. Iron is an essential mineral in the body, and it is essential because it is not manufactured in the body, and so it has to be supplied through food that we eat. Not only is it not manufactured in the body, it's not stored. So we must get a regular supply of iron through the food that we eat, or through supplements like Longrich Calcium that we're talking about. Iron is a component of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a part of the red blood cell. It's a protein in the red blood cell that transports oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. So we look at a few benefits, other benefits of iron. It is necessary for the production of red blood cells. You see, because in every red blood cell there must always be the protein structure known as the hemoglobin. Is a porphyrin ring, and in the middle of that ring is iron, and that is where oxygen is transported from the lungs to the rest of the body. And so if there's not enough iron in the system, then production of red blood cells will be hindered. And so not only does is it necessary for the production of red blood cells, it also prevents the development of iron deficiency anemia. Anemia is a condition where there's not sufficient blood in the body, and this that relates to iron is known as iron deficiency anemia, and iron itself will correct this condition. Iron also in Longrich Calcium supports muscle metabolism and healthy connective tissues. It is also necessary for physical development and physical growth and neurological development in children. In some of those multivitamin preparations, multimineral preparations that children are given when they are, toddlers, infants, there's usually sufficient iron, because it's necessary for the growth of children and also the neurological development. It is necessary for cellular functioning and also synthesis of certain hormones. Then we briefly look at the zinc. Zinc is also an essential nutrient in the body, and this also means that the body cannot produce nor store zinc. So we must always have a constant supply through the diet or through the Longrich calcium preparation that we're talking about. Zinc is required for numerous processes in the body, and some of these processes include enzymatic reactions, immune functions, protein synthesis, DNA synthesis, wound healing, and here again, growth and development. And so iron has a very, zinc has a very important role in immune function. All right. So it is added to nasal sprays and even what we all commonly know as lozenges and other natural cold treatments. We want to look at the role of zinc in the body. Zinc is a vital mineral that the body uses in several countless ways. In fact, zinc is the second most abundant trace mineral in the body after iron that we just spoke about. And zinc is present in every cell of the body. Not only that, it is necessary for the activity of over 300 enzymes, and these aid in metabolism, in digestion, nerve function, and a lot of other processes. In addition, it is critical for the development and function of immune cells. We've mentioned immune cells, immunity a few times, talking about calcium supplements of Longrich. And here again, you find out that long-reach products address the immunity of the body, and so there are a lot of long-reach products that are said to boost the immunity of the body. And yeah, I believe that in future we'll be talking about 5, 6 long-reach products that are known to boost the body's immunity. Other functions, this mineral is also is fundamental to the health of the skin, and also helps in DNA synthesis and protein production. The body, well, of course, like I said earlier, growth and development, it relies on zinc, all right, because of the role of zinc in the cells of the body, not only in the cells, or in the division of these cells. Zinc is also needed for the senses of taste and smell. You know, one of the enzymes crucial for proper taste and smell in the body is dependent on zinc. And so a deficiency of zinc can lead to a reduction of one's ability to taste and to smell. There are some specific health benefits of zinc, as I close, that I would also like to just to mention. Yes, indeed, it boosts the immune system. Zinc helps to strengthen, to enhance, yes, indeed, the immune system. It accelerates wound healing. All right, there are products that are used, for dressing wounds, and quite a bit of them are laced with zinc, because zinc helps in accelerating the healing of wounds. It's also been found that zinc could reduce the risk of certain age-related diseases. And well, I'm talking about something like pneumonia and age-related macular degeneration. All right, where there's sufficient zinc in the body, these diseases are put in check. Zinc also decreases inflammation, the swelling, the pain that's associated with inflammation, um, is also taken care of by zinc. And it helps also to treat what we commonly refer to as acne or pimples. Zinc helps in the treatment. Some people just have one or two scatter pimples from time to time, but there are those that are are very, some certain people on their faces, the pimples are widespread, could be very big, and colored red, and all sorts of discomfort. Zinc has been found, to help in the management of this condition. Thank you very much.